In this quick guide, you'll learn how to decrease ping and lag in Steam games. Whether you're deep into a multiplayer battle or exploring expansive worlds, nothing disrupts the experience more than lag and high ping. Today, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps that can help you improve your gaming performance on Steam. To start, open the Steam app on your computer. This might seem basic, but ensuring that your Steam client is running is the first step to accessing the necessary settings. Once you have the app open, look towards the top left corner of the window where you'll find the Steam logo. Clicking on this logo is like opening a gateway to all of Steam's settings and preferences. It's the central hub for managing your Steam account and client options. After clicking the Steam logo, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Settings. This section is crucial as it houses various options that can directly impact your gaming performance. Think of it as the control center where you can tweak and fine-tune your Steam experience. Moving forward, within the Settings menu, you need to locate and click on the In-Game tab. This tab is specifically tailored to adjust the settings that affect your gameplay experience. It's where you can change how certain features behave while you're playing games, so it's an important area to get familiar with. One of the key steps in reducing lag and ping is to turn off GPU acceleration. GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, acceleration can sometimes cause more harm than good, especially on systems that might not have the latest hardware. By disabling this feature, you're potentially freeing up resources that can help achieve a smoother gaming experience. This step can be particularly helpful if you're noticing that your games are choppy or if you're experiencing delays during gameplay. And there you have it, a straightforward way to potentially decrease ping and lag in your Steam games. By simply adjusting a few settings within the Steam app, you can enhance your gaming sessions, making them more enjoyable and less frustrating. Remember, while these changes can help, other factors, like your internet connection and the performance capabilities of your computer, also play significant roles in your overall gaming experience. If these adjustments don't fully resolve your lag issues, it might be worth exploring other avenues such as upgrading your hardware, checking your network settings, or even reaching out to your internet service provider for assistance. But with these steps, you're already on the path to a better gaming experience. Thanks for tuning into this quick guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experiences. Happy gaming, and may your ping always be low.